So you have a dream to be an author and you have an idea to write a book, but you don't know how to translate that your idea into a book. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can write any type of book in less than 5 minutes, in any kind of niche, in any size, in any volume. I'm going to show you how to use this AI tool, ChatGPT, to write a perfect book that is error-free, that is plagiarism-free. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a lot of money just by writing books, not just for yourself, but also for other people. How you can monetize this tool and use it to build wealth. This software is called ChatGPT Open AI. This is the software that is going to do the magic work for you. What you need to do first of all is to sign up, or if you already have an account, is to log in. Right now, I'm going to log in because I already have an account. But if you don't have an account, what you just need to do is to sign up. Let me sign in right now because what? I already have an account. So I'll just continue. All right. I'm going to log in. So this is ChatGPT. This software will help you write anything and is going to give you an in-depth explanation to any topic, to any niche. But right now in this video, we are going to write a book. The first thing we need to do right now is to generate a title for this our book. I want to write on how to make money online. Write 3 eye-catching book title for my new book. Right now, I'm going to give any title to this book. So ChatGPT is going to give me a correct title for this book. So, how to make money online. All I will just do is to hit enter. Okay. Oh my God. Are you seeing this? Unleashing the power of online profit. Digital dollars, mastering the art of making money online. If you don't like anyone, all you just need to do is to regenerate. So I'm going to regenerate to get more title that will fit what I want. Okay. Digital cash flow, unleashing the secret to online wealth. Wow. I'm going to take number 1 right now. So all I just need to do right now is to paste it here. We have selected the title we want for this our book. So what I'm going to do right now is to tell ChatGPT to write the table of content for this book for me. Okay. So what I'm going to do right now is to say, please write a 17 chapter outline for my new book titled, each chapter should have four points. Right now, I'm telling ChatGPT to write the chapter outline for me, and I want each of the chapters to have at least 4 points. Okay, so all I just need to do right now is to hit enter. Can you imagine this guy? Oh my God, are you serious? Are you just looking, guys? I'm going to copy this title right now. I'm going to create a text document right now, so that, because if I create it directly on Google Doc, it's going to have a format, that dark format. So I'm going to create a text document for it right now. Okay, I'm going to paste it here. Then it has written everything for me, very clean and is neat. If I don't like what I'm seeing, all I just need to regenerate the response. So let me regenerate and compare the two, and then I can now choose one. Okay. So right now I'm going to compare the two. Then I will now choose one. We'll say this one is understanding digital economy. It's on understanding the power of internet and its potential to generate income. So I'm going to use this one. So all I just need to do. So right now I will just have to copy this. Okay, I'll copy everything. I'll come here, I'll paste it. Now then I have to copy it again. So let me paste this right now on Microsoft. Okay, I'm pasting it on Microsoft so that it will be easy for me. I don't want this video to be very long. Just like I said, if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this book writing to make a lot of money. All you just need to do is to keep writing, and how you can write for people and make a lot of money. So just stay tuned. Guys, if you have not liked this video, please click on this like button, and if you have not subscribed, please support me just by subscribing to this video. That is the only way you can encourage me to keep doing videos like this for you. Please subscribe and like this video. Okay, so I'm going to paste it right here. Now you have it. I'm going to do some formatting here. So everything is set right now. Okay, we have our complete book right now. I'm going to just do a little adjustment. Okay, yeah, I'm going to do a little adjustment. I've rearranged it and formatted it. So what is remaining now is for us to start writing. I'm going to copy this chapter 1 and I'm taking it to ChatGPT. Please write a well detailed chapter 1. Focus on these 4 items. Make it convincing and easy to understand to a layman. I'm not going to number them. Enter. Okay, and watch the magic. Now I'm going to wait for it to write this book chapter 1 for me, which is the introduction. And can you see the magic, guy? Everything is clean and pure, no mistake, and just as easy as it is. So if you wait till the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can monetize this skill. You can write as many books as you can in 1 month. In a day, you can write up to 10 books. If you are not satisfied with it, you can say keep writing. It has written chapter 1, which is the introduction for us right now. So and is to copy everything. So let me copy this and I'll paste it. Okay, I'll paste it. Then all I just need to do is to also copy it from here. I just have to paste it. Okay, can you see this guy? He's writing the perfect book for us, and very lovely, very lovely. Can you see this guy? So I'm going to do some formatting right now. This is chapter 1. That is how I'm going to do it for all the chapters. Let me go back to chapter 2 and I'll still repeat the same thing until everything is done. You just have to take your time to do it so that there will be no mistake. Until you finish writing the 17th chapter, that is how you're going to do it. It's amazing, guys. So I don't want this video to be too long. So I just want to show you how you can do it. Once after you have finished formatting the book, save it. If you have not liked this video, please go ahead and like this video. Please don't forget to hit on that subscribe button and click on that notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you will be the first person to get this notification. Okay, let's get back into the video. After you have finished formatting your book, how can you make money from it? Now what you need to do now is to go to Amazon Kindle and upload your book there. Before you know, you start selling like crazy. If you want me to do a video on Amazon Kindle, just hit on that comment section and tell me, please do a video on how to sell on Amazon Kindle. So after writing your book, all you will do is to take it to Amazon Kindle and upload your book, and you will see how sales will be coming. Guys, this is amazing. I'm going to show you another website where you can also get more clients to write their books. Let's go to this amazing website right here, Fiverr.com. Okay, I'm going to show you how much people are collecting to write a book. So if you come to Fiverr.com, let me just say book writing. Write a book. I will ghost write your book. Okay, see how much people are charging to write a book. This one is charging 21,000. Okay, This one is charging. This one is in Indian currency. Okay, so look how much people are charging to write a book. This one has 24 orders is for 21,000. This one said, I will write your book or ebook. It has 182 orders, 72,000. See how much people are charging just to write a book. So what you will need to do is to set up an account here on this Fiverr. If you want me to do a video on how to sell your skill on Fiverr, just write on that comment section. Please do a video on how I can sell my skill on Fiverr. Once you come here, just need to set up an account here and show people what you can do and how much you can set up. You are going to make a lot of money by writing a book. Not as if you are going to use your head to do. All you just need to do is to come to ChatGPT to write this book in less than 5 minutes. In one day, you have written more than 10 books without any skill, without any time. Just in less than no time, you are going to write. So, guys, this is a very big opportunity for you to transform that ideas you already have to a book, and you will get paid. Why do you want to delay, guys? This is an opportunity that the AI have presented, and it is better for you to take this opportunity now before every other person knows about it. Don't tell people about it. It's a secret. This is a perfect way for you to make money online by writing a book. You don't need a skill. Just what you need is an internet. If you have not liked this video, please hit on that like button and click on that subscribe button, guys. My name is Kenneth. I'll see you in my next video.